Today I'm going to show you one of my drawings that I'm working on my ebook, step by step of how to use the fashion figure for drawing and coloring your design. This may look like I use the marker colors and color pencils, but I drew it on the Procreate, and this is the time lapse which you can follow step by step. The first step is choose the fashion figure and then you draw the silhouette of your garments around the fashion figure. Then gradually adding the design and the detail of the garments. Next step is adding a new layer, and if you work on the paper, this would be the coloring step on the marker paper. Adding your skin tone and hair color, and then the first layer of your base color of the garment. Then add the shading on the second layer. This depends on where the light source came from and how the garment moves. The next step is adding the print and the texture of your design. In this evening dress, I decided to draw the floral and the sequins texture, which you can add a little dots like this and add the white dots on the top for the sparkling effects. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions at all, just give me a comment. Please follow, and I'll see you in the next video.